Hello. Today we are looking at how to install the MCreator on a Chromebook. Firstly, we will turn on Linux apps. To do this, we will go to our system settings and click on the About Chrome OS section on the left panel. Under the Developers section, choose to set Linux up. Turn on Linux. Now that we have enabled Linux apps on our system, we will continue to the next part of the installation process, which is to run several commands in a terminal, which will install MCreator. All the commands are in the video description. Now we will copy the first command and open a terminal session from our app menu. Next, we will paste the command into our terminal, either with a two-finger click on your terminal or click Ctrl, Shift and V together. This command will download MCreator. Press Enter. Now we will extract the installer. Now we will make the Java package and launcher executable. Now we will launch MCreator from the Linux terminal. Now we will create an application launcher for MCreator. Firstly, we need to move the content of the MCreator folder to our main Linux folder. Now we will update the repositories of our Linux container. Now we will install a menu editor which we will use to add MCreator to our menu. Press Enter to confirm the installation. With the last command, we will launch the menu editor. Choose a category. Click on New Item. Choose a name of your choice for the desktop entry. The command is the package called mcreator.sh. Save the launcher. Now we will launch MCreator. Enjoy!